Bonjour. Today we're talking about the verb aller and contractions with the preposition a. Let's get started. Aller means to go. This is one of the few irregular ER verbs, and it's the only one that you'll come in contact with this year. You may come in contact with some different forms of aller, but basically this is your irregular ER verb. When we conjugate aller, we can use the conjugated form of aller with the infinitive of another verb to create le futur proche. Le futur proche is what you're going to be doing in the near future. Le futur proche means near future, so the next 24 hours or so. So, je vais regarder la télé means I am going to watch TV. I'm not doing it right now, but I plan on doing it soon. All right, so let's conjugate aller. As you look at it, you're going to see it's very different from regular ER verbs. With regular ER verbs, we would drop the ER and then add endings. Here, we're doing something completely different. We're rewriting the verb. So it's je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. And we translate this three ways. I'd go, I do go, I am going. Or they go, they do go, they are going. So you'll want to pause and write this down. It's not going away. Aller is one of the four major irregular verbs in French 1. The others are être and avoir and faire. Often we use, with the verb aller, we actually use let me go back. Going a little too far. So with the verb aller, we often use contractions with the preposition a. A means to, in, or at. And when we contract these, we put them with a definite article. So a plus the definite article la, masculine, equals o. A plus la is Allah. A plus L apostrophe is L apostrophe, and A plus lay is O. If this is before a vowel, it would be O's. The French will do contractions with prepositions as opposed to contractions with not, which is the most common that we see in English. And the L, the la, and the lay not only change, but they've lost the accent grave that is over the a. So the big deal with this is knowing whether a word is masculine or feminine. And if you don't know that, you need to go back and review, because when we look at le stade, au stade, le parc, au parc, le lycée, au lycée, all of these are masculine, and we need to know that so that we know what form of the contraction to use. The Allah is feminine. Again, we need to know that. If a word begins with a vowel, it's pretty clear it's going to be a l apostrophe if it's singular. If any of these words were plural, we would use aux. And so that's our little mini lesson for today.